Hello and welcome to CoinLex. Today in this video we will learn how to use LexBot GreedBot AI section. Let's take a closer look to our bot. In the first section, you can give a name for your bot. In the second section, you can choose the exchange market you want. We will use Binance Futures for this time. In the third section, you can choose the coin that you want to trade with. You can choose your leverage in this section, and you can set it as many as you want. You can use isolated or cross settings for your trades. In the isolated setting, your balance allocated to an individual position. In cross settings, the entire balance is shared across open positions to avoid liquidation. The most important feature of the AI part, it solves the problem of randomly drawn grid lines. In the first section of the AI part, we can create our grid lines with 1 hour, 4 hour or 1 day support and resistance determined by smart algorithm. For example, when we choose 1 hour period, the algorithm will calculate and show us the support and resistance levels using 1 hour candlestick data. We can adjust how strong we want these levels to be from this section. If we choose strongest in 4-hour period, the algorithm will give us the strongest support and resistance levels. For another example, if we choose 1 hour and 1 day period, smart algorithm will calculate them for us. If we choose the weakest setting instead of strongest, more support and resistance lines will be drawn, as you can see. Because the weak levels are more than the strong ones, you can choose which ones you want to trade with. If you want, you can control these lines on the charts. Large gaps may occur between some support and resistance levels. This means there are no previously tested support and resistance in that area, but you can add your own lines to them by right-clicking if you want. These levels are constantly calculated by a smart algorithm. Every time you open the GreedBot, you can see different levels because of that. As you can see in the chart, some levels are too close to each other. In the Optimize section, you can set these intervals by typing or using predetermined percentages. As you can see, with one click, it will set the lines. You can find the most useful way to use these lines for yourselves. We can also support them with 1 hour, 4 hour and 1 day Fibonacci levels determined by smart algorithm. Fibonacci retracement levels, stemming from the Fibonacci sequence, are horizontal lines that indicate where support and resistance are likely to occur. Each level is associated with a percentage. The percentage is how much of a prior move the price has retraced. Fibonacci retracement levels are 23.6%, 38.2%, 61.8% and 78.6%. In the upper section, you can set your upper level, and by clicking stop loss button, you can set your upper stop loss. In the lower section, you can set your lower level, and by clicking stop loss button, you can set your lower stop loss. If we do not select the upper and the lower level, then the highest and the lowest support and resistance level will be set up as our upper and lower level. The greed quantity section shows you how much your money is worth in the coin you trading. In the strategy section, you can choose only long, only short, or both short and long positions. You need to activate the hedge mode feature for the long and short trading, and the one-way mode for the only long or only short trading. In this maximum long and short section, you can choose how many positions you want to open. Stop loss timeout section will save you from fake dumps and pumps problem. You can see the highest and the lowest gain you will get from the greed regions in the greed width section. Once you set everything for yourself, you can simply click start button and you can run your bot. Also, you can get notify everything to your mobile phone if you click this section. Most advanced greed bot, LikesBot greed bot. Thank you for watching us today. Coin likes. See you next time.